Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome me back to the channel, I don't know. Anyway, I've decided to go in a little bit of a different direction with the photography content on this channel. And that direction is coming up. Hi guys, welcome back to a quick video. I've decided to make a change on this YouTube channel in terms of the plans for content going forward. And we'll talk about those plans in a moment. Now, predominantly this channel has been a mix of camera tutorials, some behind the scenes, kind of a bit of a mixture of things really, but predominantly it stayed pretty quiet recently, my bad, but thank you for sticking around. I did originally have plans to go through a lot of tutorials from the basics all the way through. But I feel that that has been done a lot, and in fact been done to death. There are a lot of other channels out there, many of which with better production value than mine, from my past content, and I'm sure content coming up. So there's tons of options for that. So I'm going to actually kind of pare down and focus the channel specifically on where my strengths lie, and that is what we're going to talk about coming up. Okay, so the plan is with this channel going forward is to concentrate more specifically on my area of strength and expertise in photography, which is studio work and portrait work. So that's headshots, portrait work of groups, portrait work of individuals, or maybe not groups at the moment given what's going on in the world. Anyway, but focusing on the portrait side of things, so the technicalities of camera and lens choice, lighting, studio use on location as well, the psychology side of doing portrait photography also. So that's the direction that I want to go down. So I want to move away from the fundamentals and basics, although I may touch on some of those for the flash and lighting side of things to give you a good starting base. But rather than camera 101, again, there's a ton of channels that are out there that cover that stuff. I want to focus on portrait work and of course lighting. That could be available light, natural light, a torch, studio lighting that we can see here around me. Tons of things that you can use really. So that's the plan going forward. If there's anything that you would like to see on this channel around that plan, or even if you think it's a really bad idea, drop a comment below. Let me know if you're still around, subscribe to the channel. By the way, I appreciate if you have stuck around because I've done nothing with this for a long time. My fault. So thanks again for sticking around. So let me know if you've got any ideas, any particular content that you'd like to see, any things maybe that you're struggling with in terms of studio lighting, studio photography, portrait work and so forth as well. Let's get some conversations going. I'm not necessarily expecting a ton of feedback on this video because the channel's been pretty dormant for a while, so YouTube's probably buried it, but that is the plan going forward. I hope everybody is well and staying safe. It's been an interesting year so far, but stay well, stay safe. It'd be great to hear from you down in the comments below, and I will see you in the upcoming videos.